In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notification not showing. Please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So if the notification is not showing on your phone, the Messenger notification is not showing on your phone, what we want to do is go to our settings. And now we want to go to our notification settings and make sure that Messenger notifications is enabled. So in my case, it's already enabled, but if in your case it's not, you want to go to the included apps and you want to find Messenger and you want to turn it on, enable it. In case it's already enabled, you want to toggle it off and on again. The next thing we want to do is go to our app settings and we want to find Messenger. From here, we want to scroll a bit down and go to your battery settings and make sure that Messenger is unrestricted. And the last step is we want to make sure that Messenger is updated. So we want to go to Play Store and find Messenger and make sure that your Messenger app is up to date. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.